Children, in the last class, we have learnt the surface area and volume of cuboid cylinder, and we did problems with surface areas of cuboid cylinder. Today, we'll do problems based on volumes of the solids. Our exercise 11.4 in your textbook. Please take your textbook also with you and check the question when I am reading it over here. Question number 2. Now you can see a picture there. There are two cylinders drawn, cylinder A and cylinder B. Cylinder A's diameter is given as 7 cm, height is given as 14 cm. Whereas cylinder B's diameter is 14, height is 7. The first part of the question is without calculating, find which cylinder has got the greater volume. So you can see from the picture that one cylinder's diameter is 7, other cylinder's diameter is 14. So the cylinder with the greatest diameter will have greater volume. The second part of the question is you have to find the volume, calculate and see whether the second one is having greater volume or not. Also, the third subdivision of the question is whether the cylinder having the greater volume has got a greater surface area. So we have divided the question into two parts like this, cylinder A and cylinder B. We will find the volume of cylinder A, cylinder B. Then we will find the volume of surface areas of cylinder A and cylinder B, and then do each and every subdivision. So when you get a question, read the question, write down whatever things are given in the question, then how many subdivisions are there in each question. Here there are 2-3 subdivisions. You have to answer to each and every subdivision. Okay. So here cylinder A. Diameter of the cylinder A is given as 7 cm. So what can you write about the radius? Radius is equal to 7 by 2, which is 3.5 cm. Height is given as 14. Volume. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Until and unless stated, value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 3.5 the whole square into 14. 7 goes in 14 2 times. So 44 into 3.5 whole square. Children, you need to do the calculation in your working column, and after simplifying you will get the answer as 539, and since it is a volume, the unit will be cubic centimeter. 539 centimeter cube you will get. Then we can find the total surface area of cylinder A also. What is the formula to find the total surface area? TSA of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? 3.5 into 14 plus 3.5. After simplification, you will get the answer as 385. Since it's a surface area, unit will be centimeter square. So 385 centimeter square will be the surface area and 539 will be the volume. This is of cylinder A. Now we will do cylinder B. Cylinder B's volume equals pi r square h. 22 by 7 into diameter equals 14. So radius will be 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. 7 square into height also 7. The 7 and the 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 49. And what will be 22 into 49? The answer will be 1078. Unit will be centimeter cube. Similarly, we can find the surface area also. 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? 7. Height 7, radius 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 44 into 14. And the total surface area will be 616 centimeter square. So children, now we got the volume as well as the total surface area of both the cylinders. Just check. Volume of cylinder A 539 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder B 1078 centimeter cube. So which cylinder is having greater volume? Cylinder B is having greater volume than cylinder A. Total surface area of cylinder A is 385 centimeter square and the surface area of cylinder B is 616. So the cylinder which is having greater volume has got a greater surface area also. You have to write that in sentence. Surface area and volume of cylinder B is greater than cylinder A. I hope the question is clear for you. So there were two cylinders. You have to find the volume and surface area of both the cylinders and then compare and write the answer. Next question. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. You need to find height of which solid shape? Cuboid. What all things are given? Area is given as 180 centimeter square and volume is given as 900 centimeter cube. Children, cuboid, what will be the volume? Formula to find the volume of a cuboid. Think. Volume equals length into breadth into height. Length and breadth is the area of the rectangle into h. Volume is given as 900. Area is given as 180. Height we don't know. Therefore, h is equal to 900 by 180. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 18 goes in 90 5 times. So the height will be 5 centimeter. So volume we know LBH. Volume is same as area into height also. Base area into height. For a cuboid, base is rectangle. Rectangle's area is length into breadth. And by substituting, you get the answer of the height as 5 centimeter. Next question. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter by 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter. That is, length is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is equal to 54, height is equal to 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? Just think of a cubical box. Inside the cubical box, how many small cubes of side 6 centimeter can you place it? Number of small cubes that can be put inside the cuboidal box, and the side of the cube is given to be 6 centimeter. So what you can do here is to find the number of small cubes is equal to volume of cuboid by volume of one small cube. Volume of cuboid, how can you find? Length into breadth into height, which is same as 60 into 54 into 30 by volume of a cube, a cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 goes in 60, 10 times. 6 goes in 54, 9 times. 6 goes in 30, 5 times. 9 5s are 45 into 10, 450 small cubes can be kept inside that cuboid. Understood? To find the number of small cubes, we have to divide the volume of the cuboid by volume of that one small cube. So you will get the answer as 450 cubes. Next question. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. You need to find the height of which solid shape? Cylinder. Cylinders, what all information is given? Volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So here we are talking about a cylinder. Cylinder's volume is given. What is the volume of the cylinder? Write down, children. Volume is equal to 1.54 meter cube. Then you need to find the height of the cylinder. Diameter is given as 140 centimeter. Children, just look here. Meter, centimeter. Always convert it to one unit. If diameter is 140 centimeter, what will be radius? 140 by 2. Diameter by 2, 70 centimeter. I am going to convert centimeter to meter. 70 by 100 meter. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 0.7 meter. So I know the volume of the cylinder. I know the radius of the cylinder. Now I have to find the height of the cylinder. Volume is equal to 1.54. What is the formula? Pi r square h equals 1.54. 22 by 7 into, what is the radius that we got? 0.7 whole square into height equals 1.54. Therefore, height is equal to, cross multiplying, 7 into 1.54 by 22 into 0.7 square. You have to multiply, remove the decimal, and then you will get the answer. It's the same as 7 into 1.54 by 22 into 0.7 is same as 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. So 7 into 1.54. These two tens will come in the numerator by 22 into 7 into 7. 1 7 and 1 7 gets cancelled. 1.54 into 100 will be 154 by 22 into 7. That will be also 154. So you will get the answer as 1. Therefore, height of the cylinder equals 1 and the unit will be meter. So when you are having problem of this type, always write down what all things are given. Then start with the formula pi r square h, substitute it, calculate. Whenever you are having a decimal, as far as possible, remove the decimal and then do the calculation. So there won't be a confusion and it will be easy for you to calculate. Question number 1 is a homework. Okay.